There's a reason why I call this nut full, and that is because I use a lot of nuts and seeds in this recipe, and I called it nut full oat banana bread. What a long name. All we need is quick oats, and we also use banana as the major sweetener, as we are not adding any sugar to this recipe. I'm also going to be using almond nuts. I'm going to be using sunflower seeds. I'm also going to be using chia seeds, flaxseed powder is already milled, and I'll be using eggs, I'll be using baking powder, I'll use cinnamon, and I'll use cocoa powder, which is totally optional. I'm going to mix this together, and I'm also going to add almond milk. I'll mix this together and I'll lay a parchment paper in my baking pan. So I'm going to add some spoons of coconut oil. Pour the batter into the pan. Garnish with some chia seeds and some coconut flakes. And then throw it into the oven to bake for 30 to 45 minutes. And that is it. My nut full oats banana bread.